Hello and welcome to the second part of this video on the market update. So starting with the global markets, we saw that the US market were up in the last week, where they closed about 1% to 2%. The European market was down, led by in the range of 0.5 to 0.3%. Asian markets were positive for the week. The gift nifty was up by 2.25%. Japan's Nikkei was up by 1.4%. Hang Seng was up by 3%. Taiwanese market was up by 2.65%. If we look at dig deeper into the Indian market on the weekly performance side, we saw that the Sensex Nifty was up by close to 2%. Nifty Bank was up by 1.6%. Nifty Midcap 100 was up by 4.7%. Nifty Midcap 150 was up by 5%. Nifty Small Cap was up by 5.6%. So the last week we saw was good week for midcap and small caps. After this, we'll look into the valuation of the Nifty 50 trailing PE, which has now reached at 21.5, which is below 2 years and below 5 years average. Nifty Midcap 150 trailing PE is currently at 36.6, which is very high at a close of 2 years and 5 years high. Nifty Small Cap 150 trailing PE is at 26.6, above 2 years average and below 5 years average. If we look at the Buffett indicator, which is the total market cap to the GDP, we see that this ratio is currently in the ratio of 86.57, which shows that the market is currently fairly valued. On the Indian bond market side, the 10-year Indian bond yields were trading at 7.095%. The yield curve on the short term has now inverted, but the medium and the long term still remains flat. Now let's move to the charts. On the daily charts, Nifty, when we see Nifty, the Nifty went down till the level of 21,821, but it then reversed from that stage and then started moving up. But it remained in the channel that we had shown you in the last week. On the weekly frame, we rather than moving on the charts, we are showing you the line graph. This is primarily because the candle charts are not giving any good information. But if you see on the line chart, we see that Nifty has touched this level of 22,500 on closing basis for last 4 times, starting since March 2024. Now we have to see that if Nifty is able to break out of this pattern on a weekly basis. So as of now, on the daily and the weekly basis, the channel is something that the Nifty seems to be trading in as of now. If we move to the Nifty Mid Cap, as discussed last week, since the formation of a hammer pattern at the lower bottom, at last Friday, with the mid cap had shown a significant bull run up, making it a new high of 51,869. But on the weekly basis, we saw that while on the weekly basis, we saw that it defied the 3 candle pattern which was formed as we had discussed this last week, and formed a big green candle, which shows that it was closing up into a new high. We can see that it has crossed the resistance R2 of the pivots. So this bullish trend may continue into the next week. If we move to the small cap, again on the small cap side, on the weekly side, we saw a hammer candle forming, and again the bullish trend continued in the market for the week. If we move on to the weekly charts, again the small cap index defied the 3 candle pattern which was formed. So the daily and the indecisiveness in the Midcap had run up, and it has also breached its resistance to level. So the next level that we could look into, that it might reach the 19,479 level as of now. So that was all from my side on the market update. Hope you enjoyed this. Do share, subscribe, and like our videos so you can get weekly updates from us. Thank you.